Today we're doing a shrimp challenge. So you get 200. Okay. So let's do it. It's very hot. We have cooked. I'm about to dip us in the bird lights. What you say? She don't have butter because she don't like butter. So good. This is a big time. I know. This is a big time. Take a bite. Take a bite. That's a tiny bite. This was good.
How are you, Charlie? Oh, yeah. Good. Great. You want to tell us about your project? I'm pregnant, not. Okay. Would you like to demonstrate your piece model? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what else would you do? Demonstrate it?
Make sure. So I put mine in the butter. It's very big. Oh God. It's so big, guys. We show them your big shrimp. Show them your big shrimp. Show them your big shrimp. Okay. This is so big. Misha, do this. Misha, stop looking at the TV. Talk to the camera. This is so big. Yeah. Look at Mom. She had to bite of hers. Yeah, it had lemon juice on it. Yeah. That's good. I'm about to put some num num, Mom. What's not really? I just put some lemon on it and then I put some more butter and then I like a glass of lemon. Got so many. I'm gonna put some in my butter. She getting a butter for mommy. My mama had sickness. This is the tail. Yeah. And I ate it. His little tail. Oh, wow. So I gotta meat from the tail because I don't like tails. I don't like tails. I'm just gonna eat it in the video. I don't like eating it without no video. This is yeah. Did you know this is a piece of crab leg and this meat inside everywhere. Yeah, and got crab legs. Yeah, I don't want to eat crab legs because they're nasty. I don't want to eat the crab legs because it's dark. Yeah. We about to do the crab leg challenge on Saturday. So I hope y'all subscribe to my channel. So yeah. So oh my gosh, look at this, y'all. Look at but these shrimps are really, really huge. My look at this. Look at this. This is really. I'm in the tail. Look, Michelle. I just took the shell off. Look at this. All this. Look at this crab baby. Oh my god. Tyson. You got plates. Yeah. I gotta show y'all secretly. Don't tell nobody else. Please don't. Don't tell your parents. Don't tell your parents or your friends or your whole generation friends. Family. Yeah. Cause you are busy. But this crab that meat is so good. If you cook that as a secret, you are best buddies. Something really good. They give you lots and lots of things. Yeah. If you subscribe to our channel, you can do seafood, toys. We sell toys, so yeah. Bobby, that's your side. Yep. And they can't come with clothes. Why they can't come with clothes? I can't come with clothes. It comes with clothes. And I'm glad I'm eating it. You get a bag. You get a bag with hair stuff in it for your Barbie, just for your Barbie. I got that doing your hair. Yeah, don't do your hair with it because it's gonna hold. It gonna burn your hair gonna fall. Y'all get an electric comb. The Barbies, not your real hair. Not you, for your Barbies. You could get an electric comb for your Barbie or you. Yeah. So, cause y'all been so good and keeping it like this secret. You get $1 million. That's what you would get if you subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, please. And thank you for subscribing. My sister, she gone. These whoops. I ate the tail. I ate the tail. This is the light. Right there. This is how my shrimp looks inside. Okay. That's how the shrimp looks. And it's very good. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.